Breaking news coming in at this moment, the latest from the courts. The courts have fixed as 19th December 3 p.m. as the date for Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi to appear in court. 19th of December is the new date. In fact, earlier, Abhishek Manu Singhvi said that both Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi were keen to appear before the court. They wanted an exemption only for today. And now the latest that we are getting is that 19th December 3 p.m. is the time fixed for Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi to appear in court.
As you all know, arguments on the matter were reserved on Friday, the 4th of December. We were told by telephone yesterday, 7th of December, about pronouncement of judgment. We have seen a copy on the website. We don't have copies yet. But we made it clear, I made it clear to the Honorable Magistrate today that each accused is extremely keen, ready and willing. I repeat, keen, ready and willing to appear before the Magistrate Court at the earliest possible date. This is our statement, not the complainants and not the court. We said so in the beginning. The court saw the papers, therefore we were only seeking exemption for today since there was no time to study the judgment and it came yesterday and parliament session is on, etc. But on Saturday, the 19th of December, at our request, the earliest possible date was given. All the accused, barring one who is in USA, will be certainly present at 3 p.m. on 19th. The US accused will also try his best to be here, but subject to logistics and exigencies. Let me make it clear that each of the persons involved have the highest regard for court. Our contention remains the same. That is not a contention before this court. It is a contention before whatever legal remedies we choose to exercise against the High Court judgment. That contention is that this is political vendetta at its worst. Dr. Swamy, the complainant, is a senior member, active member of the Central Committee of the BJP. The ruling party in power is using proxy litigation to attack senior congresspersons out of political malice. You have a series since 18 months alone, whether it is Veerbhadra Singh, whose case was rudely intruded upon during the wedding of his child, or a baseless allegation roping in Mr. Chidambaram and his family when the raids were conducted on persons totally different and unconnected. There are several such examples. This happens to be another example in that series. We shall fight it with all our might in all legal recourses and all legal forums. We have unassailable case in law and I don't want to bore you with the legal technicalities. There is not a slightest doubt in our mind, legally speaking, though we respect all court verdicts, that not a single ingredient of any of the offences has been made out. But that is for a higher court to consider, and that is where things stand today.